Stomach 36 is located the width of 4 fingers below your kneecap. To find stomach 36, find the point that is the width of 4 fingers below your kneecap, like this. Then move towards the side till you're off the bone and push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 36. Activate stomach 36 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate stomach 36 on your other leg. Spleen 6 is located on the inside of your leg, the width of 4 fingers above the tip of your ankle bone. To locate spleen 6, find the tip of your ankle bone. Put your hand there and find the spot that is the width of 4 fingers just above it. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is spleen 6. Activate spleen 6 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate spleen 6 on your other leg. Conception vessel 12 is located 1 hand's breadth above the umbilicus. To locate this point, place your hand just above the umbilicus, come up above the knuckle of your index finger, and press in here. Find a tender spot. It might be slightly higher or slightly lower. Activate conception vessel 12 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. During or after stimulating conception vessel 12, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your abdomen or in your back. This is normal and temporary.